Motorista, and welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For this video, we have here the Nissan Terra Sport 4x2. This is not the 4x4 model. So let's check it out kung ano yung mga gandang features niya, exterior-wise, interior-wise. And at the end of the video, I'll give you the pricing sa ating Nissan Terra Sport. So if you're interested in this video, samahan niyo ako in this review. So simulan natin sa ating exterior features ng ating Nissan Terra, no? For this iteration, they have made minor changes to the exterior. Basically, they blacked out everything that's chrome, and I'm a big fan of that, no? So sobrang maagas, especially in this color na black. So literally everything is blacked out, mga motorista, except for the bits na nag-stick out like the logo and the headlights, but everything is black colored. So let's take a look at the headlights now, because I think Nissan Terra has done a good job when it comes to the headlight. So you have here your quad LED headlights with DRLs, and if you look at it here, no, napakaangas talaga niyan tingnan. Still, no, in 2023, this update has been out for quite some time na, pero again, still looks good. So you have your DRLs here, and also here you have your LEDs. No, one is high beam, one is low beam. Blacked out yung ating background ng ating headlight, and you have your parking sensor here, okay, and then dito din you have your changes for the bumper on the side, so medyo prominent siya on the sides, no, and then kita mo naman LED fog lights din siya. Meron na tayong sensors dun sa harapan na part, so quad sensors dito sa harap ni Nissan Terra. Sa Nissan logo naman natin, meron tayong front camera, you have your radar sensors dito sa ilalim na part. So again, yung grille natin is blacked out. So gloss black yan lahat, no. Okay, so moving on to the body itself, same body lang to sa previous model. Dito sa ating tires, no, Dweller Bridgestone Highway Terrain, appropriate lang to kasi hindi naman to 4x4. So decent to na performance on the road, makapit tong gulong na to. One highlight na I do like sa ating Nissan Terra, no, especially for the VL variants, is how big the disc brake is. So yung rims natin is 18-inch, and yung ating rim design parang sa Nissan Navara nilang kinuha yung ating Pro 4X na design. And ito yung ating suspension double wishbone. Meron tayong wishbone dito sa taasan na part, and then meron tayo sa ilalim na part. And then yung ating shock and coil spring. And then meron tayong yan, stabilizer bar. So meron tayong covering here. This is plastic para mas tahimik yung loob ng ating interior. So pati na din yung ating step board is also blacked out. Dito din, blacked out na din siya. So yung side mirror natin, meron tayong turn signal repeaters. You have your camera dito sa ilalim part. Yung ating door handles is also blacked out. You have your smart entry here. Press the button to open and press the button to lock. So roof rail is also blacked out for this model. Yung ating rear naman na disc is ventilated din. Is a solid, no, solid axle yan. Most of the competition same lang sila ng setup. At the back, you have your integrated spoiler here. You have your shark fin antenna, high mount stoplight. You have your rear camera. You have another reverse camera here for the 360. And then quad sensors dito sa likuran na part. One thing that's missing here is the lack of power tailgate. Medyo mabigat pa naman yung tailgate nito. So LED yung ating brake lights here. Really nice to see, especially at night. Alright, and then you have your signal lights which are still incandescent. No, sana LED na siya, but hey, ganun na talaga siya. You have your VL badge here. You have your Terra name, Nissan logo. Okay, so one thing that changed for the Terra Sport is, again, on the sides, meron siyang parang accessory here na same color lang siya sa body, but again, it's like an add-on to make it look better. Meron tayong fake diffuser dun sa likuran and expose yung ating tailpipe. Mga motorista, we are inside the Nissan Terra Sport. This is the 4x2 model sa kanilang lineup. So meron tayong dalawang Terra Sport, meron tayong 4x4 model, and this is the 4x2 model. So what do you see here, no, dito sa interior? As with the outside na all black yung kanyang color, walang chrome, no hint of chrome dun sa labas. Dito din sa loob, instead of those red leather dito, naging black na siya, which I think is a lot better, no? It's so sporty looking inside, no? Because of the change in color dito sa loob. So yung interior natin is black on the bottom. Now, I do like this layout, no, ng dashboard talaga ng Terra. Just like before, when they launched the updated model. So dito mga motorista sa kanyang doors, no, although manipis lang yung ating mga door cards, pero mababa lang siya. So you have great view outside. Pwede mong i-rest yung elbows mo dito. And you have chrome door handles here. Yan, you have your folding mirrors, no? Pero yung mirror na to, once you lock using the remote, magfo-fold yan. However, once you unlock it, hindi siya nagfo-fold out, no? I think it folds out once you start the Nissan Terra na. Dito naman sa ating steering wheel, we have your leather steering wheel, and yeah, it is real leather, really nice to hold, no? Hindi siya ganun kakapal yung ating leather dito. And yung ating steering wheel controls naman is meron tayong for the screen dun sa ating 7-inch display or driver display. Meron din tayo sa ating cruise control. Okay? So yung cruise control natin, unlike its competition, is hindi siya adaptive. Regular cruise control lang siya, no? So we have your set, reset, and then cancel button here. Ito yung pag-start ng ating cruise control, and then ito naman yung ating voice command button and call button here. Dito naman sa kabilang side, you have your volume knob, you have your knob buttons, and next, and then back button here. Right, so 3-spoke steering wheel with this flat bottom dito sa ilalim na part. Automatic up and down lang si driver, pero sa passenger, hindi siya one touch. Leather yung armrest natin here, white stitching. You have full buttons here, no, for your adjustments sa ating backlight. And then here yung ating fuel cap release. It's a button na, hindi siya latch. And then you have your trip preset, and then parking sensors off button. Meron pa dito sa pinakailalim, which is your traction control button off. In terms of the steering wheel, yung adjustability natin, unfortunately, hindi siya telescoping yung ating steering wheel, no? No matter how I pull it, hindi siya telescoping. Dito naman sa ating stocks, no, you have your automatic on-off headlights. I do think meron din siyang automatic high beams. Dito din, meron tayong rain sensing wipers. Okay, and then merong adjustability. Dito naman sa ating dash, dito sa center part, you have your air vents here. So you have your hazard button here. Yan yung tunog ng hazard. Main infotainment system, this is a 7-inch display. So turn on natin si Terra. Yan, this is Nissan Connect. You have your volume knobs here. Meron tayong tuning knobs on the other side. Press OK and you have your screen right here. So the screen is very responsive siya sa touch, no? So it's a capacitive touch screen. Definition is a good 720p. Hindi siya totally HD. CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Also, you have your phone book, call history. So audio natin, you have your Bluetooth, AM, FM. And meron tayong USB pala dito, no, for the infotainment system. You know, once is type A, and then another one is type C, which is good. So rear cooler off and on, so you can turn off the rear AC vents. Dito naman is meron tayong 12-volt accessory outlet, and you have wireless charging pad here, no? So kung ilalagay mo yung phone mo na compatible, turn it on. Merong button here, or turn it on, whatever you like. You can charge your phone dito na part. Like the Nissan Navara as well, kita mo naman still traditional analog gauges tayo on both sides. I like na maganda yung backlight natin. It's just white, very plain, simple but elegant siya. So kita mo naman yung speedometer, you have your rev counter, temperature gauge ng engine, and then you have your fuel gauge, no? And then yung indications natin sa taas, meron tayong odometer, you have your gear indicator, you have your distance to empty. And if you want to control the screen, use this button here. Kita mo naman, speed, fuel economy, trip, rear display. So ito yung ating advanced driver aids or Nissan Advanced Mobility. So you have your forward collision warning and the automatic emergency braking. You have lane departure alert, and you have your blind spot monitoring with indications dun sa ating mga side mirrors. Right, moving on to the screen. So you have your physical buttons here, so you can dim the display if you want. You have your next button, audio button, menu button, meron din tayong call button and camera button. So when I press the camera, kita nyo yung ating around view monitor or Nissan's 360 view camera. Better than Toyota's implementation. You have your rear cross traffic alert also. You have your indications for your front sensors and rear sensors as well. Ngayon nakikita natin yung front natin na view. If we reverse this, makikita mo din yung ating rear view. So pwede mo siyang i-zoom in ng onte. You can see yung mga sides kung saan yung wheels natin. Very nice when you're doing off-road stuff, diba? So yan siya. So ito yung ating around view monitor. Now at the bottom, I do appreciate na maganda yung ating controls for our audio, no? So kita mo naman dito mga motorista, is clicky yung buttons natin, high quality siya. Meron tayong auto mode sa ating air conditioning. If you turn it on, dual zone climate siya. Pwedeng i-adjust dito sa passenger, pwedeng i-adjust dito sa driver. You have your fan speed control, recirculation button. Ito yung ating airflow, kung sa bottom part yung hangin, and then dito sa ating regular air vents, and on the top pwede mo siyang i-adjust. And then ito yung mga defogger front and rear. Now at the bottom part, you can rest your legs dito sa kanyang leather part ng ating center dash. And then yung ating shifter, it is a standard shifter, park, reverse, neutral, and drive with manual mode, plus and minus. 7-speed automatic transmission. And you have your 2 toggles dito mga motorista. You press this, it will fold the second row seats, no? Either one of them. Electronic parking brake, which is new for the updated model, and also it's here on the Terra Sport 4x2. Meron tayong blank switches here, no? I do think na yung ating blank space dito is this is for your auto hold, and sayang walang auto hold yung ating electronic parking brake ni Nissan Terra. Maybe for the next gen model meron siyang auto hold, but as of now you get electronic parking brake without the auto hold function. Cup holders here, dalawa, malalaki yan. And then you have your massive compartment dito sa center. Leather siya, so perfect sa arms natin na i-rest. And manual seats for the passenger. And then you have your 8-way adjustable driver seat dito sa ating driver side. Okay, so when it comes to quality of the leather, no, one of the best in my opinion. Doesn't feel fake leather, talagang real leather siya. Meron pa siyang mga design areas here and it's perforated. Sayang hindi siya parehas ng Fortuner na cooled seats. This is Nissan's zero gravity seats, no, so it's comfortable but hindi siya ventilated. Now moving up, you have your rear view monitor. So yung gusto ko dito is halos frameless siya, and you can actually switch this one. So you have your monitor here, you have your camera sa likod, and once you flip the switch, standard rear view mirror siya. So basically yung ginagawin to is skips the back, no, the passenger na from preventing you from seeing the back passenger seats, para yan diretso sa likod na, and then wala siyang glare, no, lalo na sa gabi. And you can see your battery indicator here. I'm not sure if this has wala siyang DVR or digital video recorder. So if your menu, you can adjust the brightness, all that stuff, no, dito sa ating screen. So really nice addition, no, one of the advanced safety systems ni Nissan Terra. am now inside the second row sa ating Nissan Terra Sport 4x2, and yeah, surprisingly, I'm very up high than the seats up front. So space here is quite good. Nakalikod yung seats natin. Toe room daw is limited. Then hindi mo masyadong magagalaw mo yung toes mo dito. And then you have your pockets here. You have your Type-C charging and A charging USBs. Air vents. Meron tayo dito sa center, no? And meron pa tayo dito sa taasan na part. That's what I like about Nissan kasi our Climate, no, one of the coldest AC air conditioning systems out there on the market today. So yung ating screen here, you can project whatever you want, no? Kung meron kang dongle for your Google Chromecast, and meron kang Apple TV na device, meron siyang USB port din sa likod and HDMI port. You can plug it there and then it will display here. And meron tayong fan control dito sa Terra, sa likuran na part. Yung seats natin, it's not that bolstered on the side, but it's quite comfortable naman din. So you have your armrest also, and meron siyang cup holders. Right, so speaker count dito sa ating Terra is we have tweeters dun sa harap. You have your speakers dun sa ilalim na part dito din. So all in all, 6 speakers, no? Meron tayong dome lights here and dome lights here. Okay, so nice touch. So ayan mga motorista, this is the second row sa ating Nissan Terra Sport 4x2. So one thing na disadvantage lang sa Nissan Terra dito sa likuran na part, no, is that yung seats for the third row, it's really close na to the floor, if not on the floor itself na talaga. So yung knees mo dito is sobrang nakataas, no? So this is best for kids talaga dito sa third row ni Nissan Terra. So ayan yung sinasabi kong HDMI part, HDMI mga motorista na andun sa likuran. So let's take a look at the engine sa ating Nissan Terra, no? It has a 2.5 liter direct injection turbocharged diesel engine that makes about 190 PS of max power and 450 Nm of torque. It is paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission. If you want to go for the top models that has the most power, now you have to go to the Fortuner and also look for the Ford Everest kasi mas powerful yon when it comes to output spec wise, no, dito sa kanyang engine. So in terms of rideability, maraming talagang nagsasabi na maganda yung Nissan Terra when it comes to ride quality. Safety features pala ng ating Nissan Terra, no? 6 airbags in total dito sa cabin. We have ABS, EBD, traction control, stability control. For the price of 2.1 million, what do you think mga motorista? Is it worth it if you compare it to around the same price sa kanyang competition? So 2.163 million to dito sa Cagayan de Oro. But if you're in Manila, Luzon, it is cheaper because wala kang freight na babayaran, no? Depende kasi per dealer kung magkano yung freight nila. So dito sa Mindanao, since we are the farthest away kung saan to dinadock nila yung Nissan Terra natin from Thailand. So again, you pay extra for the freight, no? Kung gusto mo walang freight, you get this Terra dun sa Manila, walang freight, no? So ikaw na magdadala dito sa CDO. Right, so ayan mga motorista, what do you think? Let me know down sa ating comments. And once again, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures. And I'll see you on the next episode. Maraming salamat and bye-bye.